How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. If you wish to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Trust Wallet application, and of course you want to make sure to log into your respective account. Now, to buy Bitcoin, right after you launch Trust Wallet, you can see many options from the top. Since we're trying to buy it, just tap on the buy option over there. Now, it is specifically Bitcoin that you're trying to buy, so you can try to search for Bitcoin, or you can see on the recommended list as well. Now, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you wish to buy. If I want to buy Bitcoin for $1,500, I can type that amount over here and you will see the amount of Bitcoin that you'll receive for that amount of money, right? So just equivalent to the amount of money you put in over here. Next up, you can choose your payment method. So you can see by default, the credit card is selected, but I can use a P2P or Google Pay, digital wallet, or even a bank transfer, or even a credit card, which is selected by default. So based on whatever it is you want, select those respective payment method. Then you can tap on the buy option. It will take you to a provider on the next page, and once you enter your payment info, you would have successfully bought Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. This way you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.